When we look at the clients that we're dealing with, the key problems that they're facing are around how do they maintain their IT infrastructure while also adding value to the business. To allow those organisations to focus their IT people on key skills and key activities that the business will value, they need to be able to move their current workloads into that cloud context without a massive investment. When we looked at that seamless transition without conversion, we wanted to have a VMware-based cloud solution. And clearly IBM Cloud, with its bare metal server offering where we can run a complete VMware stack, allows us to protect our client workloads onto a VMware platform with zero conversion of the source virtual machine and allow them to run it live in the cloud and also revert back to an on-premise after any incident that has happened. The entire experience is completely seamless to the client and ensures that they have minimal downtime and minimum potential disruption to their organization. In a disaster recovery solution, typically clients would have done sort of big bang tests once or twice a year where they look at bringing large swathes of their technology live to test that it's valid, and then they'd shut it down again. Very time intensive, it was very invasive to the day-to-day operations of most organizations. What our clients are now doing is, on an ongoing basis, moving workloads to the cloud and allowing them to run for a period of days or weeks in a live context and then reverting them back to their original location and treating the cloud presence as an extension of their on-premise environment. And that's giving them a huge amount of flexibility about how they approach disaster recovery planning and certainty on the functionality of their systems. IBM as an organisation have been incredibly supportive. The consistency of the behaviour, the speed of delivery, the scale that we can achieve with IBM Cloud, these are things we couldn't do previously, and these are elements of a complex IT ecosystem that we're exposing to our clients in a way that wasn't possible previously.